This video is for the HVAC guys that watch. This is the best thing that I've ever found under a house. Check this out. I was looking over there in the distance and I saw that green bottle and I wondered, what is that over there? Could it be what I think it is? Now we know, I'm going over there to take a look. We know right now that R22 is going for $1,000 to $1,500 for 30 pounds of it. Surely this can't be a bottle of R22 just hanging out under a house. So I go over and I take a look. 50-pound jug. That's the best thing that I've ever seen under a house. I'm gonna go straight up there and I'm gonna tell this guy what he's got. It's awesome.